Let's talk about SCREWBER.
Yeah,
Ooh,
yeah. This
talk about
was.
getting screwed.
I did talk to you know who you are. I know. I'm sure you're watching today because I said I would mention it. Look, I don't mention names, but when I say you know who you are on a specific topic, they know who they are. He was in this article. Okay, so this is the oldest trick in the book that existed from my days of driving from 8 years ago. This went on for 6 years to the tune of $40 million. These two shysters, Carlos Arturo Suarez Palacios and Elahu Paldiel of Queens and Brick Township, New Jersey, they got arrested. They got busted. Uber was definitely cooperating. Now, I don't know why it took them 6 years. The other thing is we have, in the past shows, we have mentioned, Chris, that, a lot of drivers get this nasty gram in their apps saying that, right, they get accused basically of GPS spoofing. All right. And GPS spoofing was the number one way of grabbing trips in and out of airports when I was driving. And a lot of my friends did get deactivated because Uber, even 8 years ago, they changed the way they detect GPS spoofing. They introduced elevation, and LA has a little bit of elevation. So if you were spoofing from somewhere that you were at 1,000 feet and LAX is at a sea level, Uber detected it and booted your ass. So the fact that they could do this for 6 years is unfathomable to me, that they didn't catch it. Okay. Supposedly they were selling these phones, preloaded phones with they named the Uber app SCREWBER. Basically, this was about GPS spoofing. So what happens is that, if you guys don't know what that is, let me explain how it works. Let's say you're in part of town and 5 minutes or 8 minutes or 10 minutes away is surging like hell, right? So what do? You have GPS spoofing software. A lot of people who play Pokemon Go also use that software to put themselves where they're not. So what these people were doing is that they would go and put themselves, while they're not in that neighborhood, in the middle of the surge zone and grab the sticky surge, because the systems are detecting that my car is in the middle of the surge, and then I get the sticky surge. And they would drive and pick up the rider and do the trips. And then all of you who say, well, I'm in the middle of the surge, I'm not getting any trips, well, it's because these guys are spoofing their GPS and overloading the system. So that was one thing, SCREWBER. And then on the next screenshot, they named it SCREWBER. I think the name is spot on. But then they were screwing their fellow drivers, 800 people. And they were also screwing, the hardworking drivers that are on the system who did not have this software. So that's the fake GPS. So all these phones, they were selling these phones for $600 up front, and then $300 a month subscription. Chris, this is nuts. That's how they got to 40 million. And they were, at some point, they were pulling in like 200,000 a month. And they got busted. 6 years, I think, is too long. There is some sort of shady shit going on here for sure. Uber would have definitely caught these people. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just going to say that it's too long. But anyway,
Yep.
I mean, and then I tweeted this out actually, and when the article came out, and also I said a lot of drivers who don't even know what spoofing is get accused of spoofing with that automated cut and paste emails that Uber sends out, right? The garbage warning shots. And those people email me and say, Serge, I didn't do anything wrong. And I'm going like, I know you didn't do anything wrong. You probably don't even know what spoofing is. So, and then anyway, they got busted. Now you guys are going to have a valid question, which is the 800 cheaters, let's call them that, cheaters, who were busted as well. Not jail busted, but obviously the ring got busted. And I did ask this to Uber. I said, were those people deactivated? As they should. Okay. Again, not a straight answer, but the answer I got was that the TLC, the Taxi Limousine Commission in New York City, to drive, by the way, you have to have a TLC license separate of anything else. Supposedly the TLC is revoking all their licenses, all these 800 people's licenses. And one thing that Uber representative said that I raised question with was, you know how Uber is locking people out now, right? Because their utilization rates are collapsing. He basically blamed the lockouts to this. And I said, no, 800 drivers, there's 80,000 cap in New York City. 800 drivers are not going to cause that. But of course, Uber being Uber, you know, they always want to find some sort of angle about why the lockouts are happening. The lockouts are happening. It's a simple reason. We talked about it. But anyway, so SCREWBER is no more. It's gone. Back to regular business.
One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Well, that's good. And moral of the story is don't use spoofing software because you'll probably get deactivated when they find out.
Not probably, you will get busted. Uber is very sophisticated when it comes to that. And I'm not going to say I did it. But in my old days, I'm telling you, it was the only game in town, and it was easy
First rule of Spoof Club is we don't talk about Spoof Club, Sergio.
Well, we didn't do it until these idiots got busted. So there you go.
Just like Surge Club, we don't talk about Surge Club.
We don't do any of that. We don't. I mean, look, you know. So it's over. If you're in one of those 800, you should be deactivated, or the TLC should take away your license. Don't cry foul that you know you did all this garbage. Anyway, so I'm sure there's so many things going on. You know, I get emails about the Chinese software. I mean, I all I can do is guess. But that's another thing Uber is looking at, by the way. So if any of you are watching that, you're doing this, be careful, because you guys will get booted any day now. But look, man, it's a company that does 2.8 billion trips, Chris, every quarter. How do you catch all of this stuff? But then I think 6 years.
Algorithm is for
6 years is too long. There is something shady happening there. So.
Somebody was getting a little kickback back at the company?
I don't know. I'm not going to say any of that. All I know is 6 years for a tech company like Uber, who deactivated all my friends in the old days 7-8 years ago. How did they not know this was going on? I'm not sure. Anyway.
Yep. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.